Ferrari, an iconic name in the automotive industry, has a rich history that began in Italy in the mid-20th century. Here's an overview of its journey. Early years. 1929. Enzo Ferrari founded the company as Scuderia Ferrari in Modena, Italy. Initially, it was not focused on manufacturing cars, but was a racing team that bought, prepared, and raced Alfa Romeo cars. 1939, Enzo left Alfa Romeo and established Auto Avio Costruzioni, which built the 125S, Ferrari's first car, in 1947. Post-war era and formation of Ferrari. 1947, Ferrari 125S, the first car to bear the Ferrari name, debuted. It had a 1.5 LV12 engine, setting the standard for Ferrari's future design philosophy. 1949, Ferrari's first major victory came at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, where Luigi Chinetti and Peter Mitchell-Thompson drove a 166mm Barchetta to victory. Growth and expansion. 1950s, Ferrari became a dominant force in racing, particularly in Formula One. Alberto Ascari won 2 consecutive world championships in 1952 and 1953. 1960s. The 1960s saw further success with cars like the 250 GTO and the introduction of the mid-engine layout in cars like the 250 LM. Ferrari also won numerous races, including the 24 Hours of Le Mans multiple times. 1969. Fiat acquired a 50% stake in Ferrari, providing the financial stability needed for further expansion and development. The modern era. 1970s to 1980s. Ferrari continued to innovate and produce iconic models such as the Ferrari 308 GTB and the Testarossa. The company also faced challenges in Formula One, but achieved notable success with drivers like Niki Lauda. 1988. Enzo Ferrari passed away. His death marked the end of an era, but the company continued to thrive. The Ferrari F40, released in 1987, became an icon of this period. Recent developments. 1990s, Ferrari returned to prominence in Formula One, with Michael Schumacher joining the team in 1996. This led to a period of dominance in the early 2000s, with Schumacher winning 5 consecutive world championships from 2000 to 2004. 2000s, the brand continued to innovate with models like the Enzo Ferrari and the 458 Italia, pushing the boundaries of performance and design. 2015, Ferrari became a publicly traded company, with its shares listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The brand is synonymous with luxury, performance, and exclusivity. Each Ferrari model is a symbol of cutting-edge technology, design, and a deep-rooted racing heritage.